In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a north arrow in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you can do, of course, is add it whenever you're moving around your map. So to do this, the closest you can get is to go to View up top left, then you want to go to Show Navigation, and you want to go to Automatically or Compass Only. So I'm going to do Compass Only, and as you can see here, you have kind of a compass top right. It's not really a north arrow, however, it's a close thing to it, okay? So that's the first way to do it. However, you can put it on very easily if you're trying to export an image. So go to top left and click on File, Save, and then click on Save Image. You could also click on this print button over here if you want to print, but I'm just going to go with the image over here, which you can click up here to get as well. So to get a north arrow on here, you want to click on Map Options, and you want to enable this compass over here. When you do that, as you can see down here at the bottom right, there's the north arrow, and of course, if I click on it, I can even move it to wherever I want it to be, okay? I could do, for example, top right over here, and there we go. Now I have the north arrow on my map, okay? So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.